my childhood past. Through hardship, still holding faith steadfast. Oil lamp flickers in the late night, dreaming of tomorrow, a future bright. Rising above hardships, hearts always shining bright. Overcoming struggles, dreams within our sight. No matter the obstacles, we never step back. A bright tomorrow, in hope we never lack. With calloused hands through years of toil and strain, feet